Just want to show off 1974 Topps complete set. Cards are in most of them fairly decent. I'd guess 4 or 5. Obviously some 2s and 3s. Numerical order, 18 cards per page. I might buy a bunch of sleeves and make it 9 per page so we could see front and back. I'll probably do a separate longer video just to highlight some key cards in the set here. I kind of like them arranged by teams. Just reconsidering the numerical order. You know, otherwise there's no real order to it. There's no logical order. It's not alphabetical. I'm curious as to how they kind of number these things and why they're numbered the way they are. If anyone knows, tell me. But yeah, these cards are a lot of them in very, very nice condition. There's Frankie Robinson, Al Oliver, and there's your Lou Brock right there. He's looking pretty sharp. Sparky, good old Sparky Lyle. Nice Amos Otis there. Anyway, I could go on and on. Mickey Rivers before he was a Yankee. I like that one. Again, it's nice to be able to see the backs of the cards. You know, so I'm going to put in the effort to do that here. There's Tom Seaver. That looks pretty nice card there. Cut off center. Steve Carlton. Fine condition. Bobby Mercer. Card's worth nothing. Bobby Mercer cards are worth nothing. There's a Joe Morgan. That's a nice card. Anyway, yeah, I love the 70s Topps. I'll do a video on the 77 set. There's Wilver, Stargell, Fisk. Yeah, nice card. Nice, you know, I don't know. It's not a highly desired set. 50th anniversary coming up next year. I like the set personally. I mean, it's not, you know, it's not the best. It's not the prettiest. But nothing wrong with it. There's your Reggie Jackson. Beautiful card. Kind of a dick, but, you know, hey, won the Yankees a World Series in '77. That's why I like that set so much. It was just kind of like my prime youth Little League. I was in my Little League prime in '77. I was probably 11 or 12. It was probably 11. And so just have great memories of that set. Anyway, that's it. Probably just mark up the real nice cards in here and do a separate video on just those top cards. Bill Robinson, I never even knew he was on the Phillies. Don Baylor is a great player. Yogi, it was right after they lost the World Series to the Oakland A's in '73. And we'll call it right there. We'll just look at these 2 pages and see. We got to the leaders. We got Stargell on there twice, home runs and RBIs, with Jackson twice. That's pretty cool. I have duplicates of all these cards, but these are best condition I have. Alright, we'll see you next time.